This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window regulator in a Chrysler Town and Country. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a trim removal tool and various screwdrivers. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Then, carefully inspect the door panel for any visible screws or fasteners that need to be removed before proceeding. Now, let's tackle the door panel. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry off any decorative trim pieces, especially those around the door handle and window switch. Once exposed, disconnect all electrical connectors from the window switch assembly. With the screws and trim removed, carefully work your way around the door panel's edges, unclipping it from the door frame. Be gentle to avoid damage. With the door panel off, you'll see a plastic vapor barrier. Carefully peel this back to expose the window regulator assembly. Next, unbolt the window glass from the old regulator mechanism, securing the glass in the up position with tape. Then, remove all the mounting bolts holding the old regulator in place. Carefully maneuver the old unit out through the access opening in the door frame. Now, install your new window regulator, ensuring all mounting bolts are securely tightened. Carefully reattach the window glass to the new regulator mechanism, making sure it's properly aligned. Reconnect all electrical components, including the window switch, and test the window's operation before reassembling the door. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Finally, reattach the vapor barrier and carefully reinstall the door panel, securing all screws and trim pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.